Hello there! Have you ever wondered if there's something you can do and earn at the same time while spending time with your family or cooking meals for your family? This is Sarah. I'm Colin. Ordinary people like you. We're from Toronto, Ontario, and we're here out enjoying our wonderful backyard and the wonderful weather the Lord has made.
Yes, we're so grateful to God because of so many opportunities that He has given us. Even to see such a beautiful backyard that He has blessed us, we are very grateful. And we are here to share with you about an amazing business opportunity that we came across on social media. We were listening to gospel music, and there is this ad that kept popping up of a couple running a successful online business. We were intrigued by their story on how they have been able to pay off their consumer debt. Their story related to us. They have been able to pay off their consumer debt, support ministry work, support their family and their relatives, and even travel the world. And with no hesitation, we clicked the button, we signed up, and the rest is history. And we are asking you the same, inviting you to this same workshop. Please click the link below. Sign up with your name and email address, and we are going to send you information about the webinar.
Yes, this is not an ordinary business. This is a business where we encourage and lift each other up. So, if you're someone who's coachable and you need change, click the link below, sarahkarayuki.net, and we're going to send you information on a free webinar.
In this business, you are going to find people just like you and me. We are doing this business all over the world. They started this business, even you may start this business as a side hustle or something temporary that you can do on the side, and later it can become full-time. And you will meet people who have gone similar situations like you, but with this business, they have been able to turn their lives around. So click the link, enter your name and email address, and we will send you the information about the webinar.
Have a wonderful day and see
you on the inside.